As you can see, this is old 6 Mile Lane right here. Can't even see it. Can't even see the sidewalk right here either. Here's the entrance to the complex, as you can see. Let's go take an old Taylorsville Road through over here. And it's still snowing again. It started snowing yesterday, Saturday, around 1 o'clock. And it started picking up as it progressed during the day. So this is day 2 of Snowmageddon here in Louisville, Kentucky. Pretty crazy. You see cars trying going through the complex here. I expect a lot of places to be closed today. I was driving is hazardous today. Here's the backside of coming into the complex, the road. Sorry for my breathing. But here is the backside of it. Going to Taylorsville Road. You see, it's still snowing. Pile of snow everywhere. Hey guys, here's Taylorsville Road. Just got done coming out of the complex right here, guys. As you can see how bad it is still. Yeah, it is. Normally this road would be full of traffic, and it's really not. There's another entrance way to the complex where I live at. But as you can see, I'm in the middle of the road. No cars coming this way, but you got a couple of cars coming this way though.
How's it going?
Not much, man. How are you?
All right. Yes, out here.
Yeah, it is. Really crazy out here. As you can see, normally you see traffic here on Taylorsville Road, but you don't, as it continues to snow here in Louisville, Kentucky, here in J-Town, or Jeffersontown, and the snow just keeps on coming. See, barely any cars driving. The snow is compacting still here on the street. As I'm walking, not driving for the safety of me, but fair warning guys, it's cold. But I thought I'd let everybody know what's going on. Typically I don't do these events, nor do coasters, entertainment, but I want to show you guys what's going on here in the state of Kentucky. So right now it's snowing. Not a lot of cars here going on right now. But as you can see, Titus Road is still covered in snow. But for safety, guys, I don't recommend driving in this. But for right now, y'all be safe. What's going on, guys? I'm here in Louisville, Kentucky for a snow update, as I am at the corner of Taylorsville Road and Hurstbourne Lane. Typically, you see a lot of traffic over here when businesses are open. But the snow started happening on Saturday, midday around 1 p.m. As you can see, the snow is covered on Taylorsville Road. A lot of snow here, as you can see. Typically see a lot of traffic here on Sunday, but as you see, businesses are closed as they're calling this Snow Apocalypse 2026. As you see, a lot of snow happened here, came down in the past 24 hours here in Louisville, Kentucky. As you can see, cars, but not a whole lot. Typically, you would see a lot of people here traveling or trying to find food to eat. But as you can see, the road is still covered here. But I cautiously going out here, guys. I did not drive, I walked, as I live right down the street from here too as well. But as you can see, guys, be very careful when driving out in snowy conditions. I do not recommend, but just stay safe, guys, as it continues to snow until around a little after nighttime here. Once again, guys, just be safe when traveling. Be safe, guys.